So over here, you can see that I have a brainstorming diagram right here. And that's the main topic, and everything else is branched out in the form of a line. Let's say I don't want a line, but some other shapes. In order to do that, I can simply select a shape right here. And under my brainstorming tab, you can see that there's an option called change topic. Once I click that, you can see that I can choose another shapes that I want to. For example, I can choose cloud, press OK, and there you go. That topic has been changed into cloud. If I want to change this topic, let me just go over here, click this, and change topic. Let's go to rectangle, press OK, and that's a rectangle. If I want to change everything else, I can simply select all of it out. I can go to change topic and then select something else, like let's say, for example, freehand, press OK, and everything is changed to a freehand object right here. I can also select the main topic right here, change topic, and you can change it into cloud, rectangle, and so forth. So you can see that you can entirely change the look of the diagram by using the change topic option. So you can go into design and apply some theme of your liking, just like this. So apply theme of your liking right here, and then you can choose the color combination that you want. So that is how you can use the change topic and change the look and feel of your entire brainstorming diagram inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.